Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app totally for free anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. And let's get started with the video. Lyft is launching Lyft Pink. You wanna read this?
Yeah, oh, Lyft Pink. So, let's see. So you can get a free Lyft Pink membership as long as you remain silver tier or higher.
So yeah, Lyft is coming out with this massive update, guys. Lyft Pink. And then guess what? They use a freaking non-pink color, so it's confusing as heck.
Yeah.
Riddle me that.
Can you scroll down some more? Or I just want to, oh, okay. Oh yeah, so usually the Lyft Pink membership is $9.99 a month, but you can get it for free if you keep the silver status. Basically, you get access to free roadside assistance, Grubhub Plus membership, and more. Wait,
not Nevada, though.
Is for passengers?
This is for passengers. You guessed it. Good job. There's a little quiz there. This is for passengers, guys. So if you're a Lyft driver, guess what? You are now going to be getting a whole slew of new passengers on Lyft. We were just talking about, oh, what's better, Uber or Lyft? Well, Uber has their membership platform where people get discounts on Uber Eats and Uber rides. Now Lyft launches Lyft Pink, where they're giving free roadside assistance, Grubhub Plus membership, since they don't have Lyft food, Lyft Eats or whatever. This is just one more way, guys, that Lyft is just squeezing money out of their passengers for more money, because guess what? Now you have to pay money to use their freaking app that, guess what? You got to pay money to order a ride. Unlock Lyft Pink membership, so maybe it's free for a month. Who knows? Just noticed today, you get discounts on rides and a few other cool perks. Lyft Pink is for riders. Freaking Google it, bro. It's free throughout perks now. I don't need to. I'm a driver and don't go anywhere. Oh, I guess if you're a driver, you get it for free.
Oh, well.
Oh, your membership is active. Oh, if you remain silver tier, so as a driver, silver tier. So I guess if you're a driver, you get you get I mean, it's basically a free Grubhub membership because it doesn't even have discounts on rides. You get free roadside assistance. That's not bad, honestly. If you break down and you're stuck with a flat and you don't know how to,
that's bad.
If you don't know how to change your flat, or another case I've actually had this is like my flat tire was, or my spare tire was flat and I broke down, and so I needed somebody to basically come and fill up my spare tire with air, because you should know how to change your spare tire. If you don't, go Google it. Watch a YouTube video.
Yeah.
You can literally takes 5 to 10 minutes to change a spare tire.